Hello friends, myself Sanjana Kalyanrao Javakoti from SYETC branch division A and my PRN is 20UET040. So let's start the video.
Hello friends, in this video I will explain you what is the diode, its symbol and types of diode. Diode is the most important semiconductor device. In the term, diode is the combination of two words, that is di and the ode. Di means two and the ode means electrodes. So we can say that the diode is the semiconductor device having two terminals, anode as well as the cathode. Here the symbol of the diode. This is the anode terminal, which is positive, and this is the cathode terminal. The symbol of diode having two terminals, anode and the cathode. The vertical line shown in the figure is the diode having the two terminals, anode as well as the cathode. The vertical line shown with the help of the silver bond. The silver bond indicates that the end of the diode, that is present here. This is the silver bond. Basically, diode is a work like a switch of diode.
So this is all about the diode and its symbol. After that we have to move towards the types of diode. Now the first one is PN junction diode. In simple PN junction diode, we take a N-type semiconductor material and the P-type semiconductor material. The P-type semiconductor material having holes are the majority carrier, and the N-type semiconductor material having the free electrons as a majority carrier. Here is the anode and cathode. When we join the P and N type of semiconductor material, mean the junction is formed. Then we connect the two terminals. P side we connect the electrodes. This is called as anode, and the N side we connect the another electrode called as cathode. So this is called as simple PN junction diode. After that, the second type is biasing. So if we want to make a current flow through the device, then the biasing is the necessary. There are two types of biasing: forward biasing and the reverse biasing. First we can see what do you mean by the forward biasing. In case of forward biasing, diode P-type region or the anode terminal connected to the positive terminal of the battery. This is the anode, which is p-type semiconductor. This is the cathode, which is n-type of semiconductor. The p-type of the region or the anode terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the n-type of region or the cathode terminal is connected to the negative side of the battery. When we apply this type of polarity, the diode is subjected to the forward bias. In the forward bias, due to this negative terminal of the external source is connected to the n-type of the region, the free electrons, which means this free electrons of n region push towards the junction or push towards the p side of the semiconductor. In forward bias, due to this negative terminal of the external source is connected to the n-type region, the free electrons of n-type region is pushed towards the junction or pushed towards the p side of semiconductor. Also, the positive end of the supply push the holes of the p side will move towards the n side. With increase the external supply voltage, more and more number of electrons of holes is starts traveling towards the junction. After that, the second is reverse bias condition. In case of the reverse bias condition, the p-type of region is connected to the negative and the n-type of n-type of region is connected to the positive terminal. If we connect this polarity, the device subjected as the reverse bias. So this is all about the video. Thank you.